In this video, we are going to study basic introductory steps of data file handling in Python language. First of all, what do you mean by file handling? In file handling, input and output values are written and read from data files instead of using RAM and monitor and keyboard. So far in our Python program, the standard input is coming from keyboard and output is going to monitor. That is, nowhere data is stored permanently and the entered data is lost as soon as the program stops its execution. So file handling allows us to store data entered through the Python program permanently in a disk file. Now, what is the need or special need for using data files? Data files are needed in real life projects where data is of utmost importance and we need to maintain and store data on permanent basis, which is implemented through data files or disk files. Another important advantage of using data files is that a computer can access the data very fast, very much fast as compared to the data stored in RAM. So this makes execution time of our program a bit less. What is a data file? Data file are defined as a collection of logically related data, or we can say a file is a collection or sequence of characters that are stored on disk. There are two types of data files that can be used in file handling of programming languages. They are text file and binary file. Now we'll study what you mean by a text file. A text file is a file whose contents can be viewed using a text editor, that is a notepad or a wordpad, and it contains information in form of ASCII or Unicode. So whatever you store in a text file, it can be easily understood by a human being, and all the characters that a human being understands, that are present in a text file, like end of line character. Computer internally maintains end of line character as /n or /r, but on the screen in a text file you will see it as a line break only. Now come to binary file. Binary file are the files that stores the data in the same way it is stored in the computer's memory. So the files which are stored in binary format or binary file, they are very much easier for the computer to maintain and access, but the main problem lies that whenever you need to manipulate data or do an operation in binary file, you need a full program or a set of statements for that. That means you cannot read binary files directly, but a text file can be read directly by a programmer by opening it. What are the basic steps in file handling of program? There are three basic steps. First step is opening the file. Now, why the file is necessary? Why it is necessary to open the file? Like we want to write in a notebook, before writing, it is important to open it. So we do it physically, but when we are dealing with programs through data files, we need to open that file through a programming statement. Once a file is opened, the second step is to process the data in the file. The processing can be in terms of reading or writing operation, modification or searching. It can be anything. We can perform these operations through some library functions defined in Python. And after my processing is complete, the next mandatory step or the last step is to close the file. If you will not close the file, the memory used to access that file will not be freed from the program and your file will be still in open mode. So your data in your file can get corrupted. So it is mandatory to close the file. That is the final step of your program of file handling. So friends, these are the steps, introductory steps to handle data files using a Python program. Thank you.